Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Today the hearing happened in Supreme Court regarding OBC and EWS reservation, and due to the same reason the All India quota counseling process had been put on hold, and the current update is the next hearing is scheduled on 16th of November, which means is on hold. The counseling is on hold for NEET PG 2021, and post Diwali only they have decided to give the judgment. And you can see the news from bar and bench. Okay, Supreme Court to resume hearing the plea seeking stay on amendment reservation policy 27% 10% EWS. Okay, and I will show you the next tweet from bar and bench, where they say, SG Mehta, we had a detailed discussion. Kindly have this post Diwali vacation. So Justice Chandrachud, we can take the assurance here, and matter adjourned to November 16th. So November 16th from now, more than 15 days. Okay, so the counseling will be on hold, and if they decide to proceed with the counseling process without this decision coming into the picture, we will have you updated, but with all official notification only. So the current update is the decision has not come from Supreme Court as we were expecting, and it got delayed 3-4 times already, and next hearing is on 16th. They are asking to do it after Diwali vacation, so it's taking so much of gap. We had like a 1 week delay in the hearing, and now it's more than 15 days, so it's getting impacted so much. And we have like a registration process open for Punjab, and from tomorrow Madhya Pradesh is also going to start the registration process. But since they mentioned that since All India quota counseling process is on hold due to Supreme Court decision and reservation policy amendment, so they will also delay their registration process. Or if they start the registration process, then the further proceeding like choice preference and all the result process will get delayed. So it's not like it's impacting All India quota counseling process only. It will impact other state counseling process as well. The state counseling authority might release the notification for registration, and you can do the registration. Some of them will allow to do the choice preference as well, but they can announce the result only after All India quota, All India or MCC counseling has announced the result. Okay, that's as per the rule. So we will meet again with some other topic, other update. Until then, have a nice day and goodbye.